Okay, guys, so let's start here. So, everyone, as already you know that the Azure Data Engineering, guys. So, guys, Azure Data Engineering. So, what is Azure Data Engineering? Azure is the name used by the Microsoft, guys. Okay, to market their cloud services. Azure is the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services. And then we have also, guys, data. Data is nothing but what, guys? Information. Data is nothing but what, guys? Information. Okay, information is called as what, guys? Data. Okay, data is nothing but what, guys? Information. Okay, data is nothing but what? Information is called as the data, guys. Okay, information is called as the data. Then what do you mean engineering? Engineering is nothing but, guys, application of techniques on the data. What is it? Application of techniques on the data is called as what, guys? Everyone is called as what? Azure Data Engineering. So in other words, you can say, guys, Azure Data Engineering, guys, Azure Data Engineering, everyone. Azure Data Engineering is nothing but, guys, everyone. Azure Data Engineering is nothing but uh okay, it is a cloud service. It is what is it, guys? Cloud service. It is a Azure Data Engineering is nothing but it is a cloud service, guys. Okay, it's a cloud service which is provided in order to perform the apply the techniques on the data. That is called as what? By using the name called what? Azure. So hence we can say, guys, it is called as what? Azure Data Engineering. It is called as what? Azure Data Engineering, guys. Okay. So as you know, everyone, the Azure Data Engineering is nothing but basically, everyone, the Azure, okay, data engineering is nothing but, guys, it's a bunch of cloud services, everyone. It is a bunch of cloud services, everyone. It is a bunch of cloud services. Azure Data Engineering is a bunch of cloud services, guys. What is it? Bunch of cloud services. It's a bunch of cloud services wherein, guys, it is a bunch of cloud services wherein it is provided to perform the following task here. What is that? Using this all, that is called as a uh, Azure Data Engineering, which is a bunch of all the services. What are the services we have it? ADF is the first service that is called as the Azure Data Factory. And then we have the ADB is the second service we have it, guys. And the third one we have it as what, guys, everyone? ADF, ADB Synapse, ADF, ADB Synapse. Then we have what's it, guys? ADF, ADB Synapse. Then Fabric, we have it, guys. Everyone, Fabric, ADF, ADB Synapse, Fabric. And then we have the Open AI, guys. Okay, Open AI. These are all the these are all the guys. These are all the guys. Services are included into the Azure Data Engineering. Where in the Azure Data Engineering, where we have the following. What is it, guys? The Azure Data Engineering consisting of the following, guys. That is cloud services. These are all the cloud services, guys. Hence we say it's a bunch of cloud services. So using these cloud services, what are the tasks we can perform, guys? So for that, I can give it here data migration. Then the next one you have what's the data integration, data migration, data integration. Then you have what's that, guys? Data summarization. And then we have what's that, guys? Data visualization. So guys, the Azure Data Engineering, using this, we can perform the following. Okay, task. What is that? The first one you can say, guys, as a data migration. Then we have the next one as called as what? Data integration, everyone. And then we have the next one as what is it, guys? Data summarization. And then we have the data visualization, guys. These are all the tasks we can perform it, guys. These are all the tasks we can perform it, okay? Okay, guys, these are all the tasks you can perform it by using the Azure Data Engineering, guys. Okay, so whereas the whole process of Azure Data Engineering, guys, the whole process of the Azure Data Engineering, guys, everyone. The whole process of the Azure data engineering, everyone, the whole process of the Azure data engineering, the whole process of the Azure data engineering, it starts from what, guys, everyone? Is a start will starts from what? Yes, guys, it starts from what? Data. The whole process of data engineering activity starts from what, guys? Starts from what, guys? Okay. Start from what, guys? And starts from what? Start from what, guys? Sorry. The whole process starts from what, guys? Data. So what do you mean data, guys? Everyone, what do you mean data? Data is nothing but, everyone, what is it? Data is nothing but, guys, the data is nothing but, guys, I can write it here. Data is nothing but, it is the information. What is it? Information. That means the everything, guys, everything is dependent upon what is it, guys? Data, which is nothing but information. So whereas information is nothing but, guys, from where do we get the information? So where do we get the information, guys? We get the information from what? The following source of information, guys. Source of data. So what are the source of data, guys? I can say the source of data is what is it, guys? Social networking sites. Social networking sites. Okay. What's it? We can say it as what, guys? Social networking sites. We can say what, guys? Social networking sites. Okay. So guys, social networking site means what? We can get the data or the information from the social networking sites. Okay, guys. So we can get the data or the information from the social networking sites. We can get the data or the information from the social networking sites. So what in social networking sites, guys? We can say, guys, we can say it as what? Social networking sites means what, guys? Everyone? Facebook, Insta, guys, Facebook, Insta, Twitter, guys, Facebook, Insta, Twitter, guys, say Facebook, Insta, Twitter, all these are called as what, guys? Can you see here? Facebook, Insta, Twitter, okay, Facebook, Insta, Twitter, everything, okay, WhatsApp, guys, WhatsApp, all this comes under what's it, guys? Facebook, Insta, Twitter, everything, WhatsApp, Facebook, this all comes under what's, guys? This all comes under what? This all comes under what? Social networking sites. So then, guys, I'm using the Facebook, Insta, Twitter. Twitter now we call it as what? X, guys. Facebook, Insta, Twitter, guys. Facebook, Insta, Twitter, everyone. Facebook, Insta, Twitter. Okay, these are, and WhatsApp. All these are what, guys? WhatsApp, WhatsApp. So all these are called as, these all are called as what? Social networking set, which generates the, guys, massive amount of data, which generates what, guys? Massive amount of data. What is it? It generates what? Massive amount of data. That is called as what? Huge volume of the data, guys. Okay. It generates the massive volume of the data. That is called as what? Huge data, guys. It is called as what? Huge data. Then the next one, what we have it as what, guys, everyone? Then we have what the next one as what, guys, everyone? Yeah. Then the next one we have it as what, guys? Data or the information, everyone. Data or the information. Data or the information, guys. Data or the information. We get it from what, guys? Source, guys. Source of data. Guys, we get it from what's it, guys? Source of data. We get it from what's it, guys? Source of data. So what are the source of data, guys? We can get it. We can get the data from the source of data. What is the other source we can have it, guys? We can say it as what, guys? Banking applications. Banking applications are nothing but, guys, everyone, the application which generates the data, the application which generates the data at the banking sector level is called as what? Banking applications are called as what, guys? Banking applications. So banking applications are nothing but what, guys, everyone? What is banking applications? Banking applications are those, guys. Banking applications are those, the applications which are used at the banking sector level. The applications which are used at the banking sector level. Okay, guys. So the applications which are used at the banking sector level is called as what, guys? Is called as what? banking applications. So now guys, these are all banking applications we can use at the bank level. That is called as what? The banking level. So hence, guys, hence this is called as what, guys? Everyone. Hence this is called as what, guys? Everyone. Hence this is called as what? Everyone. Hence this is called as what? One of the source of big data. One of the major source of, guys, what is it? One of the major source of getting the big data. That is called as what, guys? This is the thing we have it. So can you see here, guys? The banking applications used at the banking sector. Banking sector. And this generates what, sort, guys? Huge volume of the data. Okay, guys. Apart from this, we have the another source of data where we can get the data or the information that is a very major and the important one and very trending also as well. So you can say, guys, the major source of getting the data here is called as what, guys? The major source of getting the data. Here we can say, guys, what is it? Here we can say, what's it? Here we can say, guys, the major source of getting the data that is called as what, guys? Live streaming process. We can say, guys, we can say it as what? Live streaming process. So what do you mean live streaming process, guys? Live streaming process is also the source of data. Live streaming process is also the source of data, guys. Where live streaming process is nothing but, guys, the process which reports continuously, such as what, guys? Stock market, such as what is it? We have it stock market, and then we can also have what is it, guys? Live cricket match. All this is what, guys? Everyone. All this is called as what? Everyone. All this is called as what, guys? All this is called as what, guys? Everyone. All this is called as what, guys? Everyone. All this is called as everyone. All this is called as what? All this is called as what, guys? Everyone. All this is called as what? All this is called as what, guys? All this is called as what? Nothing but the big data, guys. You can say it as what? This is nothing but called it what? Big data. So, guys, what is big data? Big data is nothing but, guys, the massive amount of data or the huge volume of the data is called as what, guys? Big data. Big data. Guys, whether you call it a big data, guys, whether you call it as a big data or we can say it as what? Huge volume of the data or massive amount of data is one or the same, guys. Is one or the same, guys. So as a user, guys, as a user, everybody, as a user, guys, as a user, we will have to deal with the three type of data. What is it? The first one, the big data is classified into three categories. What are those? The big data, we can say it is classified into three categories, guys. Everyone, the big data is classified into three categories. What are those, guys? The first one, we can say it as what, guys? Structured data. And the second one, we can say, guys, semi-structured data. And the third one, you can say, guys, unstructured data. Unstructured data. So, guys, so we can say, guys, okay, structured data, semi-structured data, and as well as the unstructured data, guys. Structured data, semi-structured data, and as well as the unstructured data. So, guys, structured data, semi-structured data, and as well as the unstructured data, as well as the unstructured data, guys. So these all are called, these all are called as what, guys? These all are called as what? Big data. But what do you mean structured data, guys? First of all, what do you the first meaning when I use the word called what? Structured data. Structured data means what, guys? Structured data is nothing but the data which is recorded in the proper form of what is it, guys? The data which is recorded in the proper form of, guys, in the proper form of rows and columns. Okay. In the proper form of what is it, guys? Rows and columns. In the proper form of what? Rows and columns. Here, guys, the structured data is nothing but it is in the form of what is it, guys? Everyone. In the form of what is it? Rows and columns. In the form of what is it, guys? Rows and columns. So hence we can say, guys, I'm sorry. So guys, it is recorded in the form of what? Structured data. So structured data means what, guys, everyone? The data which is recorded in the form of a table. That is the table in the form of what, guys? Rows and columns. Table is nothing but what, guys? In the form of what, everyone? In the form of rows and columns. Now, guys, I'm writing you the sample data, guys. So let's say the name of the table is the employees, everyone. And now I'm writing it here. Can you see, everyone? So here you can say, guys, name, ID, job, salary. These are the four columns you have it. So I'm giving it here. Some names here. Alan. Guys, everyone, the next one is what? ID number. Job, let us say software engineer. And here you can say, guys, salary is 50,000. And then we can say, guys, Bobby, SSC, 60,000. SSC 60,000, guys. These are all the things we have it, guys. Okay. So we can say what's it, guys? Alien, can you see Alien, 334, software engineer, 50,000. Bobby, 455, software, senior software engineer, 60,000. This is called as what, guys? This is called the proper format of structured data. That is where it is a collection of what, guys? Rows and columns. Where these are the collection of what, guys, everyone? Rows and columns. These are the collection of what, guys? Rows and columns. These are the collection of what? Rows and columns. Rows and columns. Okay. These are the collection of rows and columns. Then you have the next one. What is it, guys? Semi-structured data. You have what is it, guys? Semi-structured data. So what do you mean semi-structured data, guys? The data which is recorded. Of course, the semi-structured is a very frequently used data, guys, and very frequently demanding data. You will get the most of the data in this one format. So semi-structured is nothing but, guys, what is it? Semi-structured, guys. Okay, semi-structured is nothing but, guys, everyone. Semi-structured is nothing but it is recorded, guys. It is recorded in the form of what is it, guys? JSON file, JSON file, in the form of a HTML file, in the form of a XML file. These are all the formats we can have it, guys. So can you see here, guys? We can all say what is it, guys, everyone? It is in the form of what, guys? It is in the form of what, guys, everyone? Huh? It is in the form of what, guys, everyone? It is in the form of what? There is nothing but JSON, HTML, guys. JSON, HTML, guys. JSON, HTML. JSON, HTML. Then we have the XML, etc. These are all the files we have it. Okay, guys. So these are all the things we have it. Okay. So now, guys, the next one. What should we have it, everyone? What should we have it? Okay. What should we have it, guys? So next, let us see what is a JSON actually. What is a JSON? So guys, everyone, you must be aware or may not. I'm just telling you this. JSON stands for what, guys, everyone? JSON stands for Java Script Object Notation File. JavaScript Object Notation File. JSON stands for what, guys? JavaScript Object Notation File. Okay. JavaScript Object Notation File. What is it, guys? Okay. JavaScript object notation file. Okay. JavaScript object notation file. Okay. JavaScript object notation file. What is it? JavaScript object notation file. Okay. JavaScript object notation file. Okay, guys. So we can say the next one. What is a JSON actually? Okay. JavaScript object notation file. The data in the JSON is recorded in the form of a key value pair. The data in the JSON is recorded in the form of a key value pair. That means what, guys? Keys are nothing but the column names. Values are nothing but, guys, the data. Pair is nothing but together they are called as what? Key value pair based. Now, I can tell you the same. What is a key value pair? So the next one, what is a key value pair? Let's try to see this, guys. The same thing I'm writing in the JSON format. So, guys, first of all, keys. What are the keys? Name is the key. First key is what? Name is the column. And then a colon. What's the value? Sorry. What's the value you have it, guys, everyone? The value is what? Il, na? Okay. So this is called as a key, guys. And this is called the value together. They are called as what? Pair. Key value pair is nothing but the pair of key and value together is called as the key value pair. The next line, guys. What is the next line? You have it, everyone. Whether you have a character or numeric, you should give the keys always in a quotes. ID. That's it, guys. And 334. So you can mention it as it is. Why? Because it's a numeric data. Come to the next line. Again, use it here as what, guys? Everyone. Job. Job is what, everyone? Software engineer. Then you have what, guys? Salary. That's it, guys. 50,000. Finished. This is called as what, guys? Everyone. This is called as what? Key value pair. Okay. So this is nothing but the first row we have. If you wanted to insert the second row as well, guys, simply select it here as it is. Now I can use it here, guys, everyone. Copy. And then you have the 455 SSC, Senior Software Engineer. That's change it here. 60,000. So further, there is no comment because the rows are completed. So this is part of a complete JSON document. Okay, everyone. It is called as a complete JSON document, guys. Everyone, okay. It is called as a complete JSON document, everyone. Okay. So that's it, guys. Any other questions now? Please, everyone. And next one you have it as, guys, everyone. JSON document. And the next one, guys. What is it? You have it, guys. Next one. What is it? You have it, guys. Next one. Guys, unstructured data means what, guys, everyone? There is no proper structure for the data. That's it. There is no proper structure for the data is called as what? Unstructured data. There is no proper structure for the data. That means what, guys? Unstructured data means what, guys, everyone? There is no proper structure for the data, guys. Okay. 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 We have also, guys, unstructured data is nothing but what? There is no proper structure for the data, guys. There is no proper structure for the data. Okay. There is no proper structure for the data. There is no proper structure for the data, guys. Okay. There is no proper structure for the data, guys. Okay. There is no proper structure for the data, guys. Okay. There is no proper structure for the data, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. The next one, guys. What is it? You have it? Ah, there is no proper structure for the data. So such as what is it? You have it? Your phone, your okay, mobile photos are there. Then your chat history in your mobile phone. Photos, chat histories. Then you have what is that, guys? Photos, chat history, etc. Okay, guys. Photos, chat history, everyone. Photos, chat history, everyone. Photos, chat history. Okay. Photos, chat history, everyone. Photos, chat history, etc. All these are what, guys, everyone. These are called as what? Even the voice notes. All these are called as what, guys? Unstructured data. Okay. There is no proper structure for the same. So as a Azure data engineer, guys, so we are going to deal with what is it, guys? We are going to deal with the unstructured data, guys. We're going to deal with the unstructured data, and as well as we are going to deal with the semi-structured data, guys, and as well as we can deal with the structured data as well. Structured data as well. That's it. Okay. So rest of the things, guys, and what are the type of storages you have it, how the data is recorded here, everything that we'll see it, okay, from tomorrow. That means the practicals will start it almost from the tomorrow's guys. Okay, tomorrow the same time, guys. Everyone, thank you everyone for attending the session. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Please go ahead.
So for regular class timing will be the same, like 10:30 only?
No, at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
10 o'clock, and if possible, we'll also make it 9 as well.
Okay. Okay.
If you all people are comfortable, then we can make it 9 o'clock also. Okay, so that's it, guys. And yes, as of now, guys, you can for tomorrow you can have it at 10:30 only. Okay, thank you.